Hey everyone, your neighbor is moving a new bird bath to his triangular backyard. So let's just draw a triangle. Right? He wants the bird bath to be the same distance from each edge of the yard. Where should your neighbor place the bird bath? So what we want to do is place it at the incenter. That is the point of concurrency of the three angle bisectors of a triangle. So let's say here, we put it there, then here is your bisectors, and all I'm doing basically is drawing this picture. So you do that. Now, because the angle bisectors of the triangle intersect at a point that's equidistant from the sides. So that means when you draw your sides, here's your sides. Then these sides are going to be at 90 degrees here. And it means that all these sides are the same. Based off our theorem, concurrency of angle bisectors of a triangle. So your neighbor should place the bird bath at the incenter. And again, that's this point right there. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.